in this video I'm going to teach you how to make the dog to be from the bottom to the left or even for the right side. So before we start, let me show you my MacBook Air M1 program. So basically my current status is Sonama 14.4.1, and also I'm using MacBook Air Apple M1 chip. So let's start. First of all, if you want to make the dog to left to the right, you can make a quick tool using, you can put your mouse to here, this line, and right click, and it will show settings. You can go to minimize position on screen. You can choose either from the left or from the right. So basically, let me show you from the left. So the dog will just move to the left, and basically that's all how you can make the dog to the left, to the right, or make it back to the bottom. Yeah, thanks for watching.